Every second, your website is attacked by hackers or has malware inserted into it. If you think your site is infected with malware, you should watch this video to the end. Here we are going to show you how to identify the infected sites and remove them. Also, keep your site safe from attackers. The best question is, when do you suspect your website contains malware or malicious code? If you notice these 5 signs, you should scan your website for malware. We will show you how to do that at the end of this video. Number 1. If your site shows unknown ads or uses redirects to other websites. Most of the time, these advertisements are pop-up ads and pop-under ads. Some attackers script your website not to show these ads to the website admin. It is only visible if you log in through an incognito window through a search engine search. Number 2. Your browser will notify you of a hack or display a warning message. If a web browser detects some suspicious activity on your website, it alerts users to be protected. When you see that kind of warning message, immediately shut down your website to protect your users. Number 3. Bing or Google Search Console will notify you of an attack and flag your website. Search engines constantly scan your website's performance and security. In the event of a security breach, they remove your website from search results and notify you. Number 4. Your website loads and performs slower than usual. This is due to malware consuming your server resources, or it may run some heavy code on the end-user browser. Some of the attackers inserted crypto mining scripts into your website, which are now active whenever a user visits it. Number 5. You have to suspect malware always when you are using nulled or unauthenticated WordPress plugins, themes, or scripts. Most of the hackers inserted malicious codes into these nulled plugins and themes. When you use them on your website, they can easily establish themselves without any issues. So it is always better to use authentic codes and avoid using nulled WordPress extensions. Let's detect this malware and remove it from your website. There are many free online malware scanners. As a first step, you can use them and try to find out if there has been any detection. Check the article in the description. I will list the most popular scanners there. The majority of malicious code cannot be detected using an external scan, so we have to use an internal scan for that. If you have a WordPress website, you can follow this method to clean your site. First, log in to your WordPress admin panel. You have to install the best free malware removal plugin. Go to your plugin section and click the Add New button. Here, you have to search for WordFence Security Firewall and Malware Scan, then install and activate it. After installation, go to the WordFence dashboard and navigate to the Manage Scan section. In this, you can find basic scan types. Select the high sensitivity scan type. It is important to scan with higher sensitivity if you suspect malware on your website. This process consumes more server resources and may slow down your website, so you can set it to use low resources in the Performance Options section. After that, navigate to the Scan tab under the WordFence plugin. You can start the scan by clicking the Start New Scan button. Now you can see the scan has started. It will scan all the files on the website and check whether they contain malicious code. This process takes a few minutes to finish. After it detects modified files, you can delete the files or recover them by removing malicious code. Also, this plugin keeps your website protected from cyber attacks and hijacking. The best thing is that this plugin is free. You don't have to worry about monthly fees. Allow WordFence to run on your WordPress site. Check the article in the description for more malware tools and more details. Thank you.
If you any issues regarding the tutorial, open the question directly on the MineX community forum. Because most of the YouTube comments are missed from us. Hope you enjoy the video. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content like this. Thank you for watching MineX.